Hello guys, what's up? Today we are going to draw a cartoon dog. Okay guys, so let's get to it, okay? The foundation of our art is all based on basic shapes. So what we're gonna do, very lightly with our pencil, okay, I will draw a shape like this, an egg. All right, okay. Next, we're gonna draw another shape like this below our egg. All right, okay. So then next we're gonna draw this circle right here. Okay, this circle here would represent the dog's head. Here is his body. All right, here is this big one. Here is his nose. Yeah, our dog will have a big nose. Okay, all right. Next, what we're gonna do here is to draw a shape right here, like this here, and another one like this. Keep in mind that we are using light lines. Okay, we have this here. You got that? Now what we're gonna do, draw a line, like a curvy line from here to here. Okay, and another one from here to here. Okay, now you're just gonna draw another curvy line like this here. Here, one here, and the other right here. Okay, so for now it looks like, you know, when you blow up these balloons and you try to make shapes with it. Yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, so let's just add another oval little shape here, like this here, and another one, smaller one here. So this would represent our dog's ears. Okay, so now let's, oh, I forgot one thing here. Look at this. Let me zoom in on that for you to see. Okay, so this part here, and a little curve like this here, and a line here. This would represent our friend's collar. Let's put it a little larger. Okay, and a circle right here with two little lines. Let me zoom in on that. Two little lines to go right there. Okay, all right, so that's our dog's collar and his tag. Okay, so let's start putting some detail in our dog right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do, what I like to do, I like to highlight that nose first. You know dogs, let's just shade that one time so we have that nose right there. Dogs like to sniff. That's one of the main senses that they use. They have a very advanced, okay, they're very advanced. All right, so we have his nose. Let's work on his eyes. Here, oval here, like this. Okay, all right, eyebrows. Okay, all right, so let's just put some definition in his ear here, like this. Okay, and the other ear, watch closely. Just gonna Yoshi, get away. All right, so we have the ear right here. Okay, let's just darken the top of his head here. Okay, if you want to, you could just add a little strand, just a couple of strands on top here. All right, okay, let's darken this area here as well. Okay, all right, now usually on dogs we find that the mouth area, okay, there's a little separation, so we're gonna add that here, just a little line to come right here. Okay, and let's darken this area here. Okay, how does it look so far? Okay, cool. I'm sure yours looks much better. All right. Okay, so for the mouth, what we're gonna do, just gonna draw a line here, curvy line from here to here, and just a little tip right here. Okay, now unlike when we're doing our boy and our girl with the mouth here, we have another piece on the other side of the mouth like this. Okay, and let's just darken this part of the head here, and we have, let's add 3 little dots here. So that's what the whiskers were. All right. Okay, below our head we are going to put some more definition. Just darken our collar right here, and the thing, could probably write his name on. Let me see, I will name him Spot, S-P-O-T, Spot. All right, okay, so let's start focusing on that body. So the first thing I would, the next thing I would do here is to just darken, let me show you, this area here. Okay. Okay, and now watch closely. Let's draw a line here from here to here, and another line here. Okay, and one line here, one line here. Okay. All right, so we do the same thing on the opposite side, on this shape here, line here. Just bring this here, this area. Let's come right like this here. Okay, so we have our dog's legs. Okay, and let's darken this area here. Okay, and then let's put this right here. Okay, all right, so what we're going to do now is to darken this area here. Okay, and we do the same on this side here. Okay, and you line here, line here, line here, line here. Okay, so yay, we have our dog here. We're almost done. We are almost done. Let's shade up our collar. Okay, yeah, I just forgot. All right, shade up our collar here. All right, and let's just add, probably around here, we could just add a little tail for a Spot. Okay, all right. Now our dog is called Spot, so I don't see any spot on my dog, so I'm just going to add a little spot and shade it lightly around his eye. Now you could add your spot on your dog, or your dog could be plain. Your dog doesn't even have to be called Spot. It can be Rocky or whatever. It's your choice. Okay, now the last thing we need to do, in fact one before the last, is to draw our horizon. If we want to, we can even shade at the bottom of our dog. Okay, shade up to show that he's on a surface right here, so we've seen his shadow. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have Spot, and we are proud of Spot. So what we're gonna do, we are going to sign. All right, 2020. Okay, so guys, here you go. We have Spot. I am missing something. You know, dogs usually like to, have their tongue out. We can probably have Spot's tongue out. Let me show you. His tongue could be sticking out around here. Okay. All right, so we can probably use our eraser, okay, to just get this part out, okay, and let's just darken this. All right, and a little line in between here. Okay, if we want to, we can probably add little drops of water coming out. So there's not even water, some slobber, you know, the spit coming out of the dog's mouth. You know, they like to have slobber all around and so on. They're very loving animals, okay? And probably have 2 lines, 1, 2, and 2 more here, just to show that he's wagging his tail. You know, sometimes, in fact, lines are used to show movement. So once you have these 2 lines there, it shows that he's wagging his tail. These lines are kind of distracting. Okay, let me just erase these lines here. You can use your eraser and erase these lines there too if you want to. Okay, to have your dog. So, finally, we have our dog. How do you like it? Okay, guys, this is it for today. Okay, don't forget to like, share, give me a comment, and subscribe. Okay, see you guys next time, and don't forget, practice, practice, practice. Bye, guys.